Join me as I dive into the world of Tesla and try to discover just how they're changing the game in the auto industry. Tesla is undoubtedly a game changer in the automotive industry, and its influence on the market is undeniable. With its innovative approach to electric vehicles, autonomous driving, and clean energy solutions, Tesla has disrupted the traditional automotive landscape and forced other manufacturers to adapt. The truth is, traditional automakers are facing significant challenges in adapting to the electric vehicle revolution. They're struggling to keep up with Tesla's pace of innovation, and it's clear that they're playing catch-up. The investments required to transition from traditional internal combustion engines to electric vehicles are staggering, and it's a daunting task for many manufacturers. Not only do they need to overhaul their manufacturing processes, but they also need to invest heavily in new technologies and talent. On top of that, they need to convince customers to switch to electric vehicles, which can be a tough sell, especially when you consider the range anxiety and charging infrastructure limitations that still exist. Meanwhile, Tesla has a significant head start, having already invested heavily in electric vehicle technology and established a strong brand presence in the market. The company's vertical integration strategy, which sees it controlling everything from battery production to software development, has given it a level of agility and flexibility that's hard for traditional manufacturers to match. This has allowed Tesla to rapidly iterate and improve its products, making it even harder for competitors to keep up. As a result, many traditional automakers are finding themselves stuck in a cycle of perpetual catch-up, trying to respond to Tesla's latest innovations rather than driving the conversation themselves. It's a tough spot to be in, and it's clear that the industry is in the midst of a significant upheaval. Tesla's innovations are truly groundbreaking, and they're a key part of what sets the company apart from its competitors. Take its battery technology, for example. Tesla's battery research and development efforts have yielded some remarkable breakthroughs, including the development of more efficient and cost-effective battery chemistries. This has enabled the company to drive down the cost of electric vehicles, making them more accessible to a wider range of customers. Similarly, Tesla's self-driving capabilities are light years ahead of the competition, with its autopilot system already demonstrating impressive capabilities in real-world testing. Another area where Tesla is leading the charge is in its market strategies. The company's decision to eschew traditional dealership networks and instead sell its cars directly to customers online has been a game-changer. It's allowed Tesla to build a more direct relationship with its customers, gather valuable data on their preferences and behaviors, and create a more seamless and personalized buying experience. This approach has also enabled Tesla to avoid the middleman markup associated with traditional dealerships, passing the savings on to customers and further reducing the cost of ownership. Tesla's market strategies are also incredibly data-driven, with the company leveraging its vast trove of customer data to inform product development and marketing decisions. This has allowed Tesla to create products and services that are perfectly tailored to its customers' needs, further cementing its position as a leader in the industry. One of Tesla's most significant recent achievements is the rollout of its full self-driving beta software to a wider group of customers. This marks a major milestone in the development of autonomous driving technology, and it's a testament to Tesla's tireless efforts to push the boundaries of what's possible. The FSD beta has already demonstrated some remarkable capabilities, including the ability to navigate complex urban environments and respond to unexpected events. It's clear that this technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about transportation, and it's an exciting development that's got everyone in the industry talking. Tesla's FSD technology is also being rolled out to its semi- and robotaxi fleets, which could have major implications for the future of logistics and transportation. Imagine a world where goods are transported efficiently and sustainably, without the need for human intervention. It's a tantalizing prospect, and one that could have far-reaching benefits for both businesses and consumers. Another key area where Tesla is making waves is in its energy storage business. The company's Powerwall and PowerPack products have already proven to be incredibly popular, providing customers with a clean and reliable source of energy storage. This technology has the potential to transform the way we think about energy, enabling households and businesses to generate and store their own clean energy. Tesla's recent acquisition of SolarCity has also given the company a significant foothold in the solar energy market, allowing it to offer customers a complete clean energy solution that encompasses both energy generation and storage. This move has major implications for the future of energy production, and it's clear that Tesla is poised to play a major role in the transition to a more sustainable energy landscape. In conclusion, it's clear that Tesla is reshaping the automotive landscape in a big way. With its innovative products, market strategies, and commitment to sustainability, the company is driving real change in the industry. Thanks for watching, and if you're as excited about Tesla as I am, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with all the latest developments in the automotive industry.